guess what? It's race day, and your boy's stoked. We're driving the Civic to the track right now. As you can see, we just hit the highway, did a nice little pull, and yeah, we'll be at the track in 15 minutes. My dad should already be there with his Camaro in the trailer. I got my sockets, my oil, my tools, all my GoPro stuff, my drag radials, my jack. I'm ready to go. I think it's like 9:30 or 9 in the morning, and I'm stoked. So yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys at the track, and let's go have a solid day. Alright guys, what's going on? We just got to the track here. My buddy Tyrell's got his boosted Civic. He's just getting teched in, and I'm paid and good to go, and I'm just gonna get my stuff ready and then head over to tech and start running. Hopefully we'll see what's up. Alright guys, we're just going to get teched in here. Wish me luck, I'm gonna need it. Alright guys, what's up? We are heading to the starting line right now. We got teched in. Air pressures are good, oil's good. We pulled out my doubled in deck and everything, so that couldn't fly out. And yeah, the car's set, and we're gonna go get some passes in. I got my drag radials on, running about 15 pounds, and we're gonna go see what's up. Alright guys, what's up? We're just pulling up to the starting line here, and I'm racing my dad in his 69 Camaro. It's a 502 big block with about 600 horsepower. It's a 5-speed, so we both got a shift, and we're gonna see what happens. It should be a good race. Alright guys, what's up? We're just pulling up to the starting line here. This will be our third pass or fourth pass, one of the two. And I can't get it to hook. I finished my radials off. They were showing wire, so I'm back on street tires. And it's spinning right through. It's not launching bad, but it's spinning right through second, which is screwing me. So I can't hook in second. My best pass is like a 10.7, which is stupid because I've ran a 9 flat in this car before, but I can't hook up. So I think this might be our last pass. We're gonna go see if we can get into the 9s, but my hopes aren't high, but we'll see what we can do. Spun right through second again, launched good, and I missed third, but got it in third and started pulling, so it'll probably be in the 10s, maybe an 11. Wasn't the best pass. I just can't hook up at all, guys. $10.6. You know what the best part of this is, guys? When your car doesn't hook up on the track and you have a shitty day at the track and can't run good times, you take it to the street. That's what's up. So we'll see you guys on the street. We're gonna be doing street pulls all day. Woo! Civic pulling up. Let's get it. Yo, what's up guys? I'm done for the day. Got Dad lined up in the black Camaro there, and he's gonna make one last pass, so I'm just gonna wait and film this pass, and then we can go home, do some highway pulls like real men.
Alright guys, we're all packed up here.